Welcome. Now, this is StockMarketFunding.com, 30-year veteran trader with trading students. And basically, we talked about Goldman Sachs and its bull trend, and we talked about how the 60-minute buy signal popped over here. We also talked about the percent DS cross and above. We also talked about that over here, percent DS was at 15.42 on the low handle, but we were shorting Goldman. Go back to yesterday's tapes. And we got up to 95, 96 intraday, and you can see right here, 92.79 is where it closed on that hourly bar, but it was actually higher. Now, let's go back and review, traders. And check this out, traders. Now take a look at the percent DS. It's only at 60 point. It's at 60.21. Your problem. Now, traders. It's all about the power of that 60-minute MACD, which is a moving average convergence divergence here. And traders, it's the power of an ascending MACD. And as it ascended over here, we had a great trade to that peak. But what happened in the short term is we got too overbought on a 60-minute chart. And I went through these yesterday, and I went through them today, and I did the tapes, and I told you that you will never stay up here and that you had to go short. And the percent DS is now 59.64, Ray. And this percent DS crossed over that black line, percent DA. And that meant that we were peaking here on these MACD bars. And we were at the top of the cycle mathematically in our mathematical formula. And we had to come down. And there's Goldman Sachs. And shorting that thing up here at the high where Bridget was, and then giving it the time, that's a $2 move. It was more than a $2 move. From the swing high today. Swing high. He took it off the low. He took it up there to the high. The market maker walked that thing off the low, and look, that was a nice move. 168.66, 172.20 on the long side. But why would the trend roll over? Why, if you don't know how to buy those trades right here and understand why, because everyone knows how to buy, but they don't know how to exit. And I'm sorry. You're overbought, but now you're not so overbought. Here. Watch. Now you're not so overbought, are you? Are you? No, you're not. You're at 59.7 on a percent DS. And there's a mathematical equation that we have in our trading platform called the SMF Pro Trading Platform, is that if you do the math of 59.43 minus 74.91 on a percent DA, and all of these positive numbers, you can see the deterioration in the CTI. And it's minus 79. And the stock got overbought during that element of time. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days to the top, and a reversal. And what happens with people, they buy it, but they don't know when to sell it. They don't know why. They don't have a pro trading system like you do, which we're not showing on the tape because it's proprietary. And the thing about it is, we got overbought, and it was a great buy to go long here, as we did. It was a great short. And I told you yesterday, for the new people in the trading school, that you will not stay up here. Did I make myself clear, people? Did I make myself clear, Tammy, that you would not stay up here? Did I make myself clear, Bridget? Did I not make myself clear? And understanding, knowing when to buy and sell into it and go short, but the overall trend is a short trend, not a bull trend at the moment. You got too overbought. And this is the problem with people. They don't have the system like we have. All they got is a couple of day trading books, and they think they're going to be great at it. Ha, 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 ha. Sorry. Don't work that way. Wally in Beaver don't work that way. And basically, what the stock market's about is getting that few dollar move that way and a few dollar move that way, and you combine the two totals. You take the positive move and sell into it. You take the short, you add them two together, and you got a great range. Let the day trader hold on to the move up here as it goes down. And Ray, you see the percent DS at 57.25? That means that Goldman is going to work its overbought level off. And as soon as it works, it got overbought this way, and it's going to work it off. And all day long, since I called a short yesterday and this morning, you can see why. You can see why. And of course, in your new SMF Pro Trading platform, it's all going to be populated on your charts. And the readings will be populated in these gauges. And you guys have been given the gift, and put this in your audio library as you're being trained here. Because whenever any of these ever get here on a 60-minute chart, you are going to short 5,000 shares, Ray. Or whatever you can do intraday. In your case, you've got $460,000 to short with on them. Okay? And that's what it's about, people. Because you got overbought. I told you yesterday about the bull's exuberance during this time frame. I never said that Goldman Sachs got a bad trend, but I could tell you it's awfully bad when we got up here, and it needed to be sold short, and we are 100% right, and we are short. You've been given a gift.